Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your best curbside deals at Walgreens for the week of the 10th to the 16th. And what a curbside deal is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes register rewards, those paper coupons that show up at Walgreens, and you like to shop in store, I recommend that you watch yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end. I broke down every single deal with register rewards and then showed a bunch of clearance. And also, guys, huge favor to ask, if you can please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. It really helps out the channel and the video if you could just take a second and like the video. Store specifically, a lot of skincare went 90% on Saturday. You could still find a whole lot in store. Alternatively, if you want to throw it into a curbside pickup, lots of these lip tints, Burt's Bees, 75% off. You might want to look through your app in your region. What do they have on clearance if you want to just throw it into a cart? Okay, let's get right into this with deal number one. For this one, you're going to need this friend, which is a buy three, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. Because it is a buy scenario, you can actually use Walgreens cash to earn Walgreens cash because it has the word buy in there. So for this one, we're going to have to kind of think outside of the box because my IBOTTA rebates are limited, but we're going to throw in 3 of these Always Triple Z overnight underwears. We have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon plus a $2.50 off of 1 digital coupon. So the total here is $29.97. You've achieved buying 3 to earn back your 10. Now, just to show you, 3 and $2.50, the magic is coming off. And you can also use the code WAG10 for an additional $2.45 off. So not too shabby right there. Just to show you, the overall cart is $29.97, WAG10 taking $2.45 off. Free curbside pickup, no tax because this is feminine care, and $5.50 in manufacturers melting off. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it, and you will earn back $10 for buying 3 of them. Ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you get a receipt, so you can photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for an additional $7.50 back. It basically makes it like $4.50 for the 3 underwears, or like $1.50 per, which is really fantastic. After the IBOTTA rebate, double triple check that you have the same rebate as I as well. Now we're looking at deal number 2. For this one, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the Dove whole body sprays, and they're $9.09, which is a goofy price. Buy one, get one 50% off with a 10 off 2 digital coupon. Hopefully you have the same one as I. So I just threw in 2 random flavors. Popular item, I had to throw in 2 different ones. So whichever ones you want to buy. And we also have the Garnier Whole Blends. When you buy 2 of these, you're going to get back $3 of Walgreens cash curbside. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. To get the basket to mathematically make sense, I threw this in. Alternatively, you could throw in one of those Burt's Bees lip balms if you want to do it that way. So just to show you the savings here, we have Garnier or digital coupon, the 10 off 2, and then using the code WAG10, an additional 44 cents melting off. Now, just to show you, our total is $22.40. WAG10, 44 cents, $13 in digitals melting off. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. You're going to pay 28 cents. Get back $3 for purchasing the Garnier. When you're at picking up your order, ask the cashier to run it through a regular register so you can get a receipt. Fetch Rewards has 3,500 points on select accounts when you buy 2 Unilever body spray products. Mine's a bit more, but if you have the smaller one, it's going to make it like 50 cents per item in this basket. So double triple check your fetch rebate and make sure you get a receipt when you get your order curbside. Deal number 3. Okay, so for this one, we are going to be grabbing everybody's favorite, some Olay body wash. We're going to grab 3 of them for $7. Alternatively, if you want to grab Old Spice, you can do that as well, but I'm just going with the Olay body wash. And we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. And buy 3, earn back $8 in Walgreens cash. Now, I know for a lot of you that the register rewards do not print, but you still want to get in on these deals. There's just an opportunity here. So just to show you 5 and $1.60 melting off, so not too shabby. And then just to show you the overall total is 21. WAG 10, $1.60 melting off, $5. So the total here is $15.56 and you're earning back 8. If you want to bulk up the basket even more, throw in 2 Garnier products and then probably use $20 in Walgreens cash. And then you're going to get 11 back, 8 for the Olay and then 3 for the Garnier. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 4. For this one, where you're going to be throwing in 3 of the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara at $12.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon and then a 3 off a 1. And I don't know why it's saying 3 off a 3, but it's a 3 off a 1. So you might have to get like a couple different colors of the mascara. I had that issue, but I grabbed 2 of these ones for $19.48 on a buy one, get one 50% off. Load those coupons. And then we also have a coupon code for L'Oreal too. And then 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends for $7.98 as well. And we have a 3 off 2 digital. To get the math to balance, I'm throwing in one of these, my absolute favorite, toilet paper. And then just to show you, look at this chorus line, we have a $1 off store coupon for each of the L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics. That $3 one, LOP for an additional $3 off when you buy 3. The 7 off 2, and then the 3 off a 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. And then I use the code BEAUTY20 for an additional $3.90 off. The overall total is $41.24, $9.90 melting off, $13 in manufacturers, for a total of $20.22. Use $20 in Walgreens cash, pay the 22 cents, and get back 3. I know a lot of us love to stockpile mascara specifically, so not a bad little deal. The final deal that we have, deal number 5. If you are into outdoor entertaining, this is the one for you. The Coca-Cola products that are always a little bit more expensive, it's 2 for $12 or $6. Here in Michigan, we have to pay a recycling fee, but you will get it back when you have to return the cans. But $6 is not a bad price point. And so we're going to get 2 of those and then 3 of the Lay's potato chips. And for the Coke products, if you wanted to go Diet Coke or other products in the line, by all means, go for it. And I'm just going with the classic potato chips as well. They have various flavors. Using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional 90 cents off. So if you're entertaining, this is just some extra stuff for your stockpile or your home. The total here is $23.37, 90 cents melting off. So the total is $22.47. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. And if you're in the state of Michigan, you pay that recycling fee. It's probably $1.20 per. You're going to get $2.40 back when you return your cans. If you want to watch yesterday's video, linked right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.